has been a test of the NWR radio tone and same alert systems.
This test is Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are explosions and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is the test is postponed to the next full weather day. This concludes this test of the NWR radio and same alert systems. Here are the 10 a.m. observations for the Boston metropolitan area. Logan Airport, it was mostly sunny.
Fuck, I forgot how the lens thing is. Anyways, while we wait for Gray to go.
Miles an hour gusting to 79.
While we wait for Gray to test, I figured I would give you all a little update. In about 3 hours from now, somewhere around 2 o'clock, I will actually be moving out of this dorm room and going home for the summer. I just have to drive back up here for finals, one on Friday, one on Saturday, and then I am done with freshman year. It's nice too because I'll be moving back into this dorm come fall time, so that'll be pretty nifty and stuff. I'll still be working a job for a lot of hours over the summer, but otherwise you can all still expect a general increase in the overall volume of videos, including weekly tests, alert captures, because severe weather season in New England will be getting started very soon. Actually, just to show you what I mean about general increase in video volume, later on today, when I head back home, or sometime tomorrow, whichever comes first, if I have time, if we come to eBay here, I sign in real fast. I actually have a radio to unbox that I've been looking to get my hands on for quite a while, and that would be this guy. So I'm very excited about that. But regardless, I figured I would just update you all with that little bit of information. And now we will wait for Gray.
This is a test of NWR radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day.
Okay, I got it.
We now return to our regular programming. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in Massachusetts. Resulting.
KZZ40 has also yet to return to the air. They are trying to find a new location for the transmitter at the same exact spot on Saddleback Mountain in Deerfield. We're trying to find a different spot on the mountain for a new transmitter because of antenna damage. So, who knows when they'll be back. But with that said, There you go.